Today I'm going to plant 2 dwarf mangoes in containers. And it's not just because I love mangoes, because I really do, but it's for the health benefits as well. When you're over 60, you start to think about what you eat. And that's part of the reason I have my longevity garden. I chose these dwarf trees. I planned on planting them in containers. If it frosts, then I can move them into a safe area, because I did lose 2 mangoes last year when it got below 20. And I chose 16-inch pots filled with soil that I made myself. However, you don't really have to make it yourself. I will put a link in the description where you can buy ready-made soil. And I mixed in this organic fertilizer in with the soil as well. And I have compost in here, perlite, peat moss, and some sand. The advantage of this is they do tend to stay small, and they're easy to weed in containers, and you don't have to dig a hole. However, the main problem is going to be watering. So you have to set up a place that either is in a sprinkler system or someplace that can get watered at least once a day when it doesn't rain. They do need full sun, so that's another location consideration. These mangoes arrived about 2 weeks ago, and I like to let them stabilize from the shipping. This one didn't do very well, but it does have some new growth. It did lose a lot of leaves, but it should make it just fine. This one really made the trip. This is new growth in just 2 weeks, so it did quite well compared to this poor guy. So now I'm going to plant this one. Now it's time to water them. I'm going to water them really good and keep them in the shade for just a little bit so they have time to acclimate. They do need full sun though. Mangoes have shown to have several longevity benefits. Now, if you eat too many, it won't be good because they are high in sugar content. Mangoes are proven to target biological drivers of aging, such as oxidative stress, inflammation, and DNA damage. It may take up to 3 years for them to produce. They are grafted, so who knows, maybe I'll get some earlier. That's what I'm hoping. This is part of a new series I just created on growing healthy foods for longevity. And I will, in each episode, be telling you about the different things I'm planting that improves your longevity. So be sure you click on the subscribe button. Fast Growing Trees is offering a 20% discount from all of my viewers, and the link is in the description.